Welcome to a tutorial on completing an employment verification for a STAR-LRP applicant. Once you've received notification that there is an applicant awaiting your verification, navigate to the POC portal in the My Activities section and select the appropriate employment verification from the menu. The employment verification will open in a new screen and will display all of the information specific to the applicant in question, such as name, phone number, their discipline and specialty, and indicate the STAR loan repayment as the program type. Selecting answers to the following questions will provide verification of the applicant's data entry on their STAR-LRP program application account. After you've verified general details, move forward and begin to answer specific employment information questions regarding the applicant in accordance to STAR-LRP program requirements. If at any time you have any questions, you may navigate to the tooltips throughout the application request, as well as the employment requirements, which are linked here. The service type verification sections are fairly common and found on other employment verifications. However, the STAR-LRP approved facility types may be referenced for more information using this link. This is a new aspect of HRSA support. So if you have any questions on what direct treatment or recovery support is indicated and required by STAR, please click here for more information. After you've mandated your answers throughout this page, click the Continue button, and you'll be taken to the final page of the employment verification to review and submit. You may then certify your answers and click the Submit button. Following successful submission, you'll be taken back to the home page where you can resume work or close out.